You guys count it down. It's your show from 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, Demo! We're ready to go. Don't have some Nick Miller. 7-11. Right now, little fast on 55, 725. Hard bumping and banging. Hey, 7-11, slow down. 1, let's go Demo. Trouble to get off there, my friend. Roger Werman might be a victim here. They're buying a lot of hits against it. While you get hit up onto the main. Answer. It's feeling it out yet, man. Half of his money. And lady. Listen. answer. We're right now. 7:25 on Nick Newman. Trying to pull up the back end. It's a little hot though. Here comes the hit by the 77 on UTEC. Right in the middle. Here comes the hit, baby. Bringing a nice to a gunfight. Here. So you missed your Newman, might be on the clock here. Nick Newman. Kind of stuck in the rut. Into each other. Boom! 77 Junior getting in. Number 52. Jesse Enster. Bad hit. Try to get him Junior, 77 Junior. Bobby UTEC. Might be stuck. Jesse Five getting hit by Bobby Steinbach. Bobby then hits Melissa. It's easy. Oh, we didn't fit it, boy. You might be down on the floor here. 55 hung up. That UTEC. Bobby's hung up over in the corner. But now here comes Matt. Just Jesse Enster. Jesse getting a piece of Bobby. You don't need to see it. mark on the other 55 from Magnuson. Junior might be down. It's Riley, you got a drive on. Here comes one. Swing and a miss. And a hit by the 725 of Danny Luck. Junior's done. Roddy Junior's done. 55 is coming up. Matt, now it's teammate versus teammate. Unless Bobby or unless Matt can get going. Oh, right off the gate here. They're bringing it right off the gate. Oh, Melissa's starting to get hot. Oh, good hit by Luck. Yeah, that's it. That's good. That's your just done. Oh, that's a good one by Bobby. That's it. That's Luck. And he's going to go repeat him the favor. Just don't do it. He's trying to stop him. Now they're going to get knocked out. A little too late. Here he comes. Yeah, Bobby. Yeah, Bobby. That'll be good. White car. Steinach, Luck, and Strike. Get it good. It's hot. It's hard today. Ooh, yeah. Looks like Bobby's coming up. Open the bank because the winner's going to get named. Ooh, who's going to rock up there? Yeah. Oh, looks like that one might be done here. Getting hot, we're popping and hacking and weeping. Looks like Jesse, the 52, might be in trouble. Jesse might be in trouble. And maybe the other one. Melissa might be able to finish off the pink one. Melissa Steinach. Yep. Danny Luck, here comes Danny right back. Oh yeah, bring that front end hit. Melissa going to the rear. getting hot. Melissa's trying to turn it around. No front tire on Dan's car. Yeah. You can't turn that steering box. There you go. Nope. Come on, Melissa. Turn that thing around and finish it off. Andy, come on. Try to get that radiator on her. You have to use the back end right now. Here comes Melissa again. Yeah. Oh, getting hotter. Come on, there we go. Yeah. Almost got that axle off. That axle wasn't getting good. And there it bent it a little bit. Uh-oh. Sign steel delivered. It's on the hot speed. Boom! Shakalaka! Give it one more. That's it. How about